Reading Pioneers is proud to present Sammy Learns to Be Patient, created by Sara Israel. Sammy is hungry and wants a snack. He goes to the kitchen to get a pack. But his mother is on the phone and says to wait a minute, which Sammy dreads. Then he does recall what Grandpa says to all. We all must wait for things each day. We can't always get things right away. When you are patient, you will see. You will get your snack eventually. Miss Brown is trying to teach a lesson, but Sammy wants to ask a question. He starts to grunt and raises his hand. But his teacher says that he'll soon understand. Then he's reminded of advice Grandpa provided. We all must wait for things each day. We can't always get things right away. When you are patient, you will see. You will get an answer eventually. Sammy was excited for his trip to get some ice cream. Chocolate chip! But when he arrived, the line was so long. He started pushing, which he knew was wrong. Then Grandpa's words popped into his head. The same words that were always said. We all must wait for things each day. We can't always get things right away. When you are patient, you will see. You will get your ice cream eventually. Sammy's ice cream melted faster than expected. So he went on his way. It was a beautiful day. Sammy went to visit his Gramps. He wanted him to see his collection of stamps. Sammy told him how his words made a difference and how he will continue to use it for future reference. His grandpa was happy to hear this because patience is something we shouldn't dismiss. Grandpa said, I'm so very proud of you because, as you know, patience is a virtue. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to Sara Israel's book, Sammy Learns to Be Patient. Colorful children's rhyming storybook about patience and learning that we can't always get things right away. Our grandparents can be wise, and I loved how Sammy recalled his grandpa's important lesson on patience, something I think we all can improve on in our daily lives. Please support Sara by visiting Amazon, where you can purchase Sammy Learns to Be Patient as a Kindle ebook or a paperback book for yourself or a loved one. Once there, you'll see that this book is actually part of a children's book series called Sammy Learns, which you can read along with me by subscribing to this YouTube channel. You can also follow Sara on Pinterest, and I'll provide all of those links in the description box below. Sara asked me to read 3 of her Sammy Learns books on this channel, and I'm so thankful of this opportunity. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and again, please remember to subscribe to stay tuned with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. While waiting for the next Sammy Learns Read Aloud, remember to visit Amazon to purchase this inspiring book. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!